Welcome to my channel again. Today we shall be making simple wafer paper ruffles. I have covered my cake in fondant and I'll be using that Wilton mold to make some strips. The first thing I'm making is just adding some marks to my cake so that I will know exactly where to put my strips when it's time. So I'm just making a 1 inch demarcation, okay, no, 2 inch demarcation, sorry. So these are the strips I made using that Wilton mold, and now I am just sticking them around my cake. If this is your first time of being on my channel and you haven't subscribed to it, please look below and press the subscribe button. We are all about wafer paper decoration. We are all about cake decoration. We just love caking it right and irresistibly. Alright, so let's just keep going. I love to work with wafer paper a lot. It's an easy way of adding classy to your cake, you know. It's very fun to work with and it's easy too. And I usually get my inspiration from different things that I see. Where do you get your inspiration from? Sometimes I just go to Google and I just type, maybe sometimes I just say wallpapers and I just keep looking at wallpapers. Sometimes I just type any random thing, not necessarily cakes that people have made, and I just get inspiration from those designs. I would like to hear where you get your inspiration from in the comment section. So I'm done. I'm just going to be cutting out the edges, and then I'm going to be dipping my brush into my edible spirit and just wiping the black. Okay, this is what I do when I don't want to use my steamer. It just makes whatever color you are wiping cleaner. Okay, so now it's time to make our ruffles. So I'm just going to be painting my ruffle in this shade of teal, and my wafer paper is a 0.6 grams, so it's quite heavy. So I am just painting it lightly without making sure that it is not wet. You can see I lifted it without any hassle. So make sure that you dab out all the extra wetness from your brush before you paint it. So I am just cutting it, okay, into strips in no particular size, but I'll try to make sure that they are in equal size, and then you just make pleats and bam, your ruffles are ready to be used. Okay, so I'm going to be working very quickly because I don't want them to get very dried. Okay, wafer paper dries very fast. I must say here that my colors was just made with some water. I mixed it with some water. So now I want to start gluing my ruffles to my cake. I've just applied my sugar glue to my cake, and I am just going to be gluing the ruffles to my cake. My ruffles are not completely dry, so it's easy to pull and it's easy to adjust where necessary. So I recommend that you do not let them dry completely, as it will be hard and it will not pull when you want it to pull to fill up a space. So I'll just be going around and covering up all my empty spaces.